Hey, welcome to the My Time community, where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. I'm Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to just have a conversation with you. Just a conversation, because a lot of people that I know, and they leave comments in the comment section, they want to grow their channel. They might not have 25 subscribers. They might have 40 subscribers, but they want to grow their channel so they can go live. And I understand that. But in this video, I'm going to give you some steps, and I'm going to challenge you. If you don't have 50 subscribers, I'm going to challenge you. Even if you got 50 subscribers, I challenge you to go live. Because if you go live, that's the easiest way to grow your channel 10x. So let's get into it. If you got less than 50 subscribers, or if you're just a newbie, you don't have no subscribers, this is what I want you to do. I'm gonna cut to the chase. I'm gonna cut to the chase. And if you got a pen and paper, get your pen and paper, because I'm gonna put a challenge on the end of this thing that I'm about to tell you. So if you're a newbie, you don't have no subscribers, or you got subscribers, but you don't have the threshold to go live, you need 50 subscribers. Yeah, 50 subscribers before you can go live. Once you hit that 50 subscribers, 24 hours later, you can go live. And when you go live, that's where the magic begins. But if you don't have 50 subscribers, you got 25, you got 45, you got 48, this is what I want you to do. Even if you're a newbie, this is the challenge. I want you to do a short for 7 days. 7 days. I want you to do 2 shorts a day for 7 days, and you will get 50 subscribers. If you accept this challenge, you got to do 2 shorts a day for 7 days. And you should get 50 subscribers within those 7 days. And this is what I want you to do. Get a good topic that resonates with you. Get a good topic. Get a good title. And talk about it for 90 seconds. No more than 90 seconds. Talk about it for 90 seconds. Something that resonates with you. If you're a chef, talk about a recipe that you like to make, and people tell you tastes good. Talk about your childhood. Talk about some stories. Talk about something that resonates with you for 90 seconds. For 90 seconds. You can do it for 90 seconds, right? So talk for 90 seconds. Do 2 shorts. 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. That's the challenge. Do 1 short in the morning, 90 seconds. 1 short in the afternoon, 90 seconds. That's only 3 minutes. So you don't have 3 minutes out of your day so you can get 50 subscribers, so you can go live? Come on now. I know you can do this. I know you can do this. Type in the comment section, I can do this. Hashtag, I can do this. Because I want you to get at least 50 subscribers. Because once you go live, you can 10x that live. I already showed you in the other videos how to 10x it. Going live for at least a minimum of an hour. You can 10x your watch hours if you go live. But you got to listen to me. You got to listen to the My Time Blueprint. So the first step to get those 50 subscribers so you can go live, even if you don't got no subscribers, do 1 short in the morning time, 90 seconds, and do another short 90 seconds in the afternoon for 7 days straight. You'll get 50 subscribers. I want you to type in the comment section, if you're a newbie, say, I'm a newbie, I'm going to do this challenge. Even if you've been on YouTube for a long time and you don't got 50 subscribers, type in the comment section, I've been here. Hashtag, I've been here. And you don't got 50 subscribers, so I know who I'm talking to. And I know who's accepting this challenge. Because I want you to grow. And I want you to go live. Because when you go live, you'll understand what I'm talking about, this 10x. Because you can express your authentic self. You can talk about those long form video topics that you want to do, but you can talk about it for half hour, for an hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours. I'm not going to be on there for the 3 hours. But you can go on there for 2 hours and 10x your watch time. Because we already know you need 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers before you get monetized. But you can get monetized with 3,000 hours and 500 subscribers. A lot of people don't know that. So imagine, you go 7 days and get 50 subscribers and you go live. Once you go live, people are going to realize that you're serious, and they're going to say, I'm going to subscribe because that live was on fire. I'm excited now. And then you get 10x those subscribers. But the challenge is going live for those 7 days to get to 50 subscribers. Because you will get all the subscribers you need when you go on your short journey. Posting those shorts, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. You posting those shorts. And after you get to 50 subscribers, don't stop. Don't stop posting those shorts, because those shorts is a catalyst to get you those 1,000 subscribers. You need to be monetized. That's another teaching, but I'm telling you, go live. You need 50 subscribers, and you can get those 50 subscribers if you post those shorts, the My Time Community Blueprint. Do 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, 90 seconds each, about a topic that you resonate with, and you can talk about it, and then you just post it, and in 7 days, you can get those 50 subscribers. Put down hashtag I accept. You accept what? You accept the challenge, the 7-day short challenge. So I want you to do this because I want you to grow. Because in the My Time community, we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And this is one key to help you grow your channel. Post those shorts for 7 days and watch your channel grow. And when the channel grow over 50, you're going to be doing those lives. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the lives. I'm going to show you what to talk about. I'm going to show you how to keep the people engaged. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so you can 10x those watch hours. Because listen, I want you to grow. I want you to elevate. Because as you elevate, you're going to elevate those around you, because they're going to see you succeeding. They're going to see that you are serious. They're going to see that you're committed. They're going to see that you are posting videos. Did you post a video today? I'm waiting. Did you post a video today? If you posted a video today, hashtag I posted. But I want you to understand, the way you grow is the way you post. If you don't post, you're not going to grow. So you got to post videos if you like it or not. You got to post videos if you think it's the worst video you ever did. Well, maybe not, but I'm trying to make a point here. Post the videos even if you don't think it's going to be the best video that you ever posted. Because those are videos that might go viral because you being your authentic self. So once again, I want you to grow. Accept this challenge. Post 2 videos a day for 7 days so you can get over the threshold of the 50 subscribers so you can go live. And when you go live, My Time community is going to go live with you. We're going to support you. We're going to go there and rock with you. We're going to help you get that 10x watch hours, because when people succeed, we succeed. When you succeed, we succeed. Because in My Time community, this is my life, this is my experience, and this is my time. So until the next video, God bless.